say that this is my second competition, modern mystery. But this time I'm going to Dayanand Sagar. Let's see. क्या होता है. This is my outfit for today. It seems pretty far from here. One of my friends said it will take like 2 hours. I don't know how should I keep my cats. Who will feed them? I'll just give them lot of food and leave them. Besides, they can stay by themselves only. This is my earring, which I like a lot. It's from my friend. She has a small business. You can go check it out. It's pretty. अभी सब स्पोर्ट्स का प्रिपरेशन कर रहा है. We are going to some other college. आज फाइनल डेट है ना
इसका
स्पोर्ट्स का.
आज फाइनल है.
उसके कल से नहीं होगा.
कल से कुछ भी नहीं. कल से कॉलेज
They are going. Bro, finally we reached. After what feels like half a day,
finally.
we reached, and this is a place where they have nothing besides it. The college. I saw there was a stage, है ना? I think there is only the fest going on. हम opposite side आए मतलब. I understood where is it.
मैं मार दूंगी वापस कहीं और जाना पड़ा.
Exactly. Oh, छाओ.
धूप से छाव. ओ भाई.
Why can't we go inside the college, bro? I wish.
वो देख स्कूल ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग लिखा हुआ है.
It's School of Engineering only and only.
No. There are different also. There are School of Engineering, medical also there. Many are there.
जो भी है, it's expensive. They have like. Exactly.
None of the person is very normal. They're all very Nikes.
Good for them. They are like spending their dad mom's money.
Whole fortune.
I don't think anybody of here studying is like getting a job or doing part time or like exploring or interacting, internship and all. They are like, वो अमीर लोगों के बच्चे. Bro, literally this college, bro. They are so big and still they are making so many buildings. Seems the watchman is gay. I don't know. Where is our coordinator, bro?
It's like 2 minutes from coming on the way. उसको बोल.
क्या कॉलेज है? पहले बहुत तारीफ कर दिया जगह का. Yeah.
The worst watchman we could ever find is here.
So rude. आज 2 साल से बैंगलोर में.
Watchmans.
I am here for 2 years and सबसे ज़्यादा
घटिया
फील हुआ है मेरे को बुरा ऐसे इंटरेक्शन से. And they are doing to everyone. That is the worst part. Not only North people. Exactly.
खुद के कॉलेज के बच्चों.
But college is nice. The only thing is bad here is sun.
Watchmans.
Watchman and sun. The coordinator is supposed to come, but I don't know where is she. She's like, yeah, I'll be here in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Just wait for 2 minutes. everybody is sitting inside. They kept their bags outside only, and they are not allowing the bags inside. So I'm not supposed to do that.
I feel like I'm crossing a freaking border right now.
Yeah, exactly.
But
It feels like we are crossing border.
Still I managed to sneak.
They took my... Bro!
It's all of it is in my pocket. That's why I told her to give it to me so that I could keep it in my pocket.
You should have told me also. I have to give my lip balm and lipstick. And it's too hot here. The security is so f***ed up. Like, not
They
this
are
much.
so damn rude to us for no damn reason.
And we are like students. Like, not even 22,
And
23.
they pretended that they told us all this before we even
Bro.
registered for it. And we were never told what was the rules and regulations. If that was told, we would have done it better.
No, this is very bad. I don't have my lip balm lipstick. And now I'm insecure. Like, where is it? That is too bad. Like, yeah, and all. College is very good and all. But I don't like personally. Oh, that Red Bull thing, bro. Thanda hoga. This is the basketball court. Seems nice. But we have to walk a long distance. We are like trekking right now.
नहीं यहाँ पे अंदर
From there, you'll go there.
Why is all over here?
This is, by the way, this is cricket ground. Everyone has been standing here for murder mystery. It feels like a Squid Game. Actually, you know, I think so. They'll murder us if we don't follow their rules.
सबसे घटिया सिक्योरिटी इन होल कॉलेज ऑफ बैंगलोर इज दिस
घटिया इन सेंस की बहुत ओवर है, बहुत ओवर है, unnecessary over.
Yeah, I won't repeat it again, okay?
Round 1.
She'll show 10 objects, names, and you should only for 10 seconds she'll show, and you should remember them in the same sequence from left to right. 10 objects. Check left to right. You should remember they'll only show for 10 seconds. You should write those down. Okay. For every object, there's 1 point. So total मिला के 40 points करना है. जो भी टीम 40 points से closest होगा वो जाएगा. अगर हम नहीं बना पाए ज़्यादा points तो मेरे फर्स्ट राउंड में एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा.
अबे लौटे तेरे फिफ्थ राउंड तो कौन ही जाएगा फर्स्ट राउंड में कितने एलिमिनेट हो जाएंगे ओके निकलते हैं मैं तेरे पापा को कॉल कर ये क्या चीज़ सबको इंडिविजुअली
I'm happy to be not. I'm okay giving gali. Bang. Update. 10 words I wrote. All 10 words. Coordination में last 3 का होगा कि नहीं I don't know. So I wrote everything. Binoculars का spelling नहीं पता था. Still I have that dyslexic वाला things, you know. You know what is dyslexia? I used to have तारे ज़मीन पर you saw that. So that
रियल लाइफ निशाना
but I didn't get that teacher like that. So I had to do it myself only. Like
बस कर रोल देंगे
Team number 13 has been eliminated.
भाई वो numbers का game है. We hopefully didn't get eliminated.
somehow we passed the first round I don't know how but yeah
Now I'm little bit confident. ऐसा वसूल करके जाना है.
आगे नहीं रहा पैसा वसूल करना है
उनका भी खून पीना है. हमारा एनर्जी जा रहा है. हमारा कैलोरी नॉट कैलोरीज व्हाट डिड दे से डिहाइड्रेशन. वी आर गेटिंग स्किन डिजीज हो जाएगा भाई मेरे को. कैन यू बिलीव दिस? इस गर्मी में किसी को भी हो सकता है. इस धूप में टू बी ऑनेस्ट स्काईज बहुत सुंदर है. निहारना चाहिए ना, बाहर से देखना चाहिए सब. नॉट लाइक उसमें चलना चाहिए, ट्रैकिंग करना चाहिए.
You have some sandwich I made by myself.
She likes so much. But उस दिन आलू था, आज cucumber onion salad है. It's nice, cheese है. आलू वाला बहुत अच्छा है.
आलू सबको पसंद है, but I started dieting now. I cannot. We were sitting here for 1 hour, like almost 1 hour, and now they say that you have a break for 20 minutes. Then again for 30 minutes. No, 20 minutes. Now 10 minutes. What are they doing? I don't know. Thankfully, I got my own tiffin. Thankfully, we are saved. We are the only one eating. We are the only one eating here. Nobody is eating. Pooja, say something. How do you feel the experience? She's happy for that, bro. She's like the least person who is like unhappy with this place, you know. We are so unhappy, bro.
मैं हमारे श्री कोऑर्डिनेटर्स को दिखाओ, तुम क्या दिखाओ?
Shri coordinators. They are our coordinators. They are like fighting for our lives, you know. They fought for us in the security. They fought a lot from the beginning itself. I only like them in this college.
पहले हमारे लिए लड़े, फिर अपने आप में लड़े.
पहले हमारे लिए लड़े, अपने आप में. अभी तक 1 ही राउंड खत्म हुआ है and they said कि 1 बजे तक खत्म हो जाएगा सब कुछ. घंटा. बट अभी 1 ही राउंड हुआ है and it's like above 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock के बाद 1 बजे. Exactly 1 o'clock and we just ended with 1 round. Now we have 4 rounds to do. She almost said that we have to like cover the whole college to investigate and all. ये पता नहीं कौन सा गेम था इन्वेस्टिगेशन का. फर्स्ट राउंड तो बिल्कुल नहीं था डिटेक्टिव में से. नाउ शी इज कॉलिंग समथिंग अगेन. दूसरा राउंड होगा कुछ.
Round 2.
So total is posted at 4 locations, 2 suspects, 4 clues from the investigation to the crime scene.
We have to find the crime scene. I'm sitting as hell. 3 जगह अभी तक देख लिया है. I don't know. बनता हुआ बिल्डिंग के अंदर जाना है, उसमें देखना है. यहाँ कोई एक मर्डर सीन नहीं दिख रहा भाई. और मे बी जस्ट आस्क एनी क्लू मर्डर मिस्ट्री. यार यहाँ इतना कुछ restrictions है. How come we like be free and go everywhere? They are like literally like side eyeing like this. I don't know. Hey, tables में तो नहीं है. सुन ना, tables में. Should we see every table? नहीं है, देख के हमें जब. Actually, more of all, I'm enjoying this performance. I'm enjoying more than this riddle we have to solve. It's too hard, bro. It's too hard. The most hard part is like a huge college, a huge university, huge. How can we like? We should get a bicycle at least. They should have provided that because इस धूप में ना कुछ नहीं होने वाला. इतना दूर दूर कौन जाएगा. First was dome, now it was like architecture, something architecture. Where should we find? Like we went to that construction. There's restriction. Then food related to food. We went 3 places or 2 places for food. There's nothing. I don't think we'll be able to win this one also. But this is actually too hard because we are from. Wait, I'll explain you later. Actually thinking this is the crime scene. We thought dome. There's a clue dome. I thought this is the dome or that big one is the dome. But we cannot go up. What pictures we have to take? Of the 4 locations. Every 4 location we have to take photos with every 4 members. Oh. Bro, if you see the place, bro. If you see, like
Ramaya 2.0.
Like it's like 10 Ramayas in one place. My Ramaya is very big, to be honest. I love the college. I love my college. I'm very happy. Literally, first time ऐसा हुआ है कि I'm very happy. Like wearing this ID card. This place with आधा construction. आधा place पूरा construction में है. आधा उधर college है. उसमें भी आधा अलग से हो रहा है. और उस बीच में हमें मर्डर ढूंढना है. कहाँ पर हुआ था? ऐसे नहीं. कोई देख के ऐसे ही बता देता मर्डर कहाँ हुआ था. लाइक हम लोग वहीं सीधे चले जाते हैं. ये कौन सा बात हुआ कि मर्डर मिस्ट्री में तुमको मर्डर कहाँ हुआ वहीं पहले खोजना है. उसके बाद बताना कि कौन किया है नहीं किया. उसके लिए भी खोज के जाके. यू नो दैट मूवी अमिताभ बच्चन का जिसमें ही वॉज द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ दैट कॉलेज. सेम. दिस इज लाइक द सेम दैट मूवी.
परंपरा प्रतिष्ठा अनुशासन।
Do they even care कि if anybody of the participants get fainted or something? Like emergency कुछ लगाया है, रखा है? It's a medical college. Do they even care कि हाँ कोई भी participant अगर faint हो जाए और उसको कुछ ज़रूरत पड़े, वो कहाँ faint होके बैठा है? किसी के वहाँ इतने सारे coordinators थे, एक को सबके ग्रुप के साथ जाना चाहिए था. No, this is like very uncoordinated. This murder mystery can be good and it is good, like the hints and all. But can be better. That is why, na. Yesterday or day after yesterday, she said, na. They said like we require 4 people because it is too hard. I'm like too hard because there's a lot of area. I'm drenched with sweat. अब कंटेंट के अलावा कुछ बचा नहीं है. She ultimately said कि the first person is going to win. भले ही वो ज़्यादा लाए या कम लाए. We are the last person, guys. Everybody seem to be there. She's plucking flowers from here, bro. Legit, bro. Why not, bro? Any crime is fine when it's come to girls. Happiest right now with Aileen. भुना पकोड़ा बन के निकले बाहर हम. No, it's very bad. ये हालत हो रहा है हमारा यहाँ पर लिटरली. आई डोंट नो कि वीडियो में आया भी होगा गाना, इतना दूर बज रहा है. ओह ब्रो दिस सॉन्ग. चिकन नगेट्स हम लोग घर जाके हाँ बहुत हो. बाय. वी आर अबाउट टू लीव दिस कॉलेज फॉरएवर. इसके बाद कभी आजकल शायद बाद में जाएंगे. शायद लव द सॉन्ग बट बिसाइड दैट सर्टिफिकेट बाद में मिलेगा या मे भी मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा. ये चीज़ में मज़ेदार है. जिसके पास पैसा है ना दे कैन एंजॉय है अ लॉट. जिसके पास बहुत पैसा है यू कैन लाइक जस्ट भूखो जो मजे आएंगे. भाई इधर कॉन्सर्ट हो रहा है पीछे भाई. मीज़ान वील से लास्ट गुड बाइज टू दिस कॉलेज. ever again. Last goodbyes. Seeing this face again, even though it's amazing. This college is so amazing with so pretty, but so pretty. अगर किसी भी बच्चे को ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस मिलना है ना वो टॉप करेगा हर चीज़ में. That was the only motivation I had. उसके अलावा that wraps with our day. Not good experience. College was good, but not the competition. Again lost, unfortunately. But who cares, bro? I have my content. I have my YouTube to show you what is like being in another college in Bangalore. It's very well-known college here, Ranan Sagar. Get an overview. Hope it was helpful for you. Okay, bye-bye. Exhausted.